Hi guys, I'm in Hobby Lobby where new items for Christmas are hitting the shelves. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So as many of you know, I've been spending a lot of time at Walmart, not so much here at Hobby Lobby, and there are new things to see. So the first thing I'm noticing when I walk in is that they have this wall full of new items hitting the shelves. Some new Santas with some dangling trucks, some oversized items from gnomes to gingerbread. But they have these and they're so cute. They're sort of a velvet plush. They've got the little boy with the hat and the little girl, and they are $19.99 a piece, so they would be $10. Remember, everything I'm showing you today that is a Christmas item is 50% off right now. So they do have the black reindeer in that flocked velvety texture. They're still a little pricey, I believe 28 and 24, so half off of those. But someone was asking me if I ever found some deer that could be facing each other. Now these don't literally mirror each other, but they could be facing each other. So check out Hobby Lobby if that's what you're looking for. Now, I also found these oversized toy soldiers, nutcrackers. They are probably maybe 4 feet tall. They are not animated, they're just statues, and there was no price on them. They also have these little door leaners that are the nutcracker style, and this oversized bell. Now it's in white, but I'm guessing you could spray paint this. So that would be lots of fun if you did some gold or maybe red or black. I'm not sure if it's meant to be a DIY, but it's definitely looking like one to me. They have the oversized standing gingerbread. But you guys, look at the pillows up there. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I could only reach a red one, but you saw they have the pink and the blue as well. And these are going to fly off the shelves. They're going to be, I think, $10, maybe 7. Were they 14.99? I can't remember. Now this one is actually 28, so 50% off. They also have this for you pink lovers out there. And way up top, look at that gingerbread pillow. I can't reach him. There's none down below, but just know he's there. They also have an oversized Sherpa style snowflake, and all the blankets are hitting the shelves. Now the first area I'm going to cover is sort of the candy cane lane slash gingerbread finds that we didn't see in our last trips in. Now they have these yard stakes. They're $6.99, so they'd be like $3.50. They also have these in the gingerbread. It comes in a boy and a girl. I'll show you the girl here in a second, but I wanted to show you everything they're putting out for this collection if you're getting ready to consider how you may decorate for Christmas. Now they also have these oversized fabric covered peppermint style boxes. I do not believe they actually light up, but they are a good size. So this one is 30, so that one would be 15. The one above it was a little bit smaller. They have the garden stakes in the boy and girl, and those are going to be $9 a piece. They are so cute. Okay, now I'm walking down this aisle and I found a few new things I wanted to show you guys. We're also going to be looking at nativity items, new stuff in the Nutcracker collection. This piece, Oh Holy Night, is stunning. It's only $15. It's so big. It's a good piece for that price. They also have the large December 25th and a lot of cocoa items coming out. So this one would also be $15. And then on an end cap, before we head down the gingerbread section, I have to mention the mini wreaths. These are great for putting a candle in the center. I think they're great for centerpieces, and they would only be $4.50 a piece, so keep your eye open for those. Now let's head down the gingerbread aisle. There's some new things I want to draw your attention to. They have the little booths, I guess is what you would call them. So these would be $2 a piece. They have it in a few other versions I'm going to show you as well, but this is the one for hot cocoa. They brought back the waffle cone gingerbread trees. These are going to be $6.50 a piece. And then lots of new cocoa signs and crates and things coming out. So this one would be $5. They also have the little standing sign in a pennant style. They also have the hot cocoa crate in black as well as red, a little mini sign. But I think the item I am most excited to show you guys is this oversized faux cup of peppermint goodness. So this is actually going to work out to be, I think, $15 and so lightweight. This would be great in a kitchen, and I love how lightweight it is and that it is not going to break if it happens to topple over. Now they didn't stop there. They've got more gingerbread items over here. They've got the gnomes to go with the collection. These are going to work out to be $8.50, and then lots of standing gingerbread. I feel like they are doing a ton of gingerbread, which is good because I know so many people love it. They have the little houses, the pastels, and this that is so cute. It's a light up peppermint style truck. So this would work out to be $20. A little more pricey. Merry Christmas. So cute. Now they also have the Nutcracker. I think we've seen that one before, but they do have a gingerbread that lights up. I have not seen this before. She has dangle legs in little peppermints. They also did little pillows of cocoa to go with the collection. How magical is that? And that would be right at $11. And in addition to the gingerbread, I want to show you guys a few things on this sign aisle. I'll also show you the other little stands. So I think this would be great on a tiered tray. This is a little candy cane that would work out to be $2. They have a few vintage pieces. They actually had a countdown. I don't know why I didn't film it, but I can't find the footage. So these would work out to be $2 a piece, so not bad at all. Now this one's a little bit more. This one would work out to be, what is that, $2.25. They have some smaller signs of Santa for you Santa lovers out there. This one's a little bit more. They also have this one in the darker background. And then over here, they have a few more of those little stands. So this one's the fresh cut Christmas trees. They also have the mistletoe market, and then the train station. So cute. Now we're switching gears. I want to show you guys some of the more nativity, Holy Family collection. They're just starting to put out a few ornaments over here to go with it, and they have a few small tabletop pieces that I think are so beautiful.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth.
Now I have to mention these gold bells that are like a faux brass. They have them in a few different selections. So this is a medium size. You get 3 of them. They're priced at $18, so you would pay $9. They also have a smaller individual one that is $7.99. This set of 3 smaller one for $3.99. Again, remember, it's going to be half the price. And then the larger individual one. So this one is going to be $4, and then the larger one is actually going to be $8.
A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voice says, oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine.
So as you can tell, we have transitioned into the Nutcracker Toy Soldier section, but I wanted to mention they have 3 sizes of the red cardinals because I know so many of you love those. This is so magical. Now this actually reminds me of something I DIY'd last year, so I'll have that linked probably down in the description. I made one in black, and I just think it is timeless, classic. They do have a few things going on in the Nutcracker area where they brought out all of the oversized ones, some of the tallest I've ever seen. They have the princesses out, and then some that go along with the whole candy cane lane, but they have a Mrs. Claus that I think is super cute, and I'm in love with these. I think these are gorgeous. So these would work out to be $11 a piece. They're already stained. You wouldn't have to do all that. They have them in the matte velvets as well as the glitter, and they have this one that is actually a music box. Now they were closing, so I didn't have time to wind it up for you guys, but there are some new things in the gold collection, the white collection, and the silver collection I want to show you. They're putting out this Santa in all of those collections. It's $12. It's like a Father Christmas. I'm very tempted, you guys. I think he is beautifully done. And again, look for him if you are more of a silver fan or a white fan. He's coming out in all the collections. Now they have this garland that is gorgeous. This is actually mini ribbon looped. Gorgeous. They also have these oversized ornaments that are flat on the bottom, so they could definitely be tabletop decor. They'll be $12. They do light up, and it's sort of a mercury glass look with some fairy lights inside. They had them in larger items, but they were really tall and really high up, and I am not really tall. Now they have these branchy glitter covered trees. Those are going to be $4. I can do math today. They also have them in a larger size. Now I think these are beautiful. I think that the price is amazing. These large ones are $9.99. That's a $5 tree. Now I want to show you everything else that's new hitting the gold collection, and then the silver collection, and then the white collection, and a couple new things I'm finding on my way out.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on
Now, I know so many of us love the wood tones, so they are doing a few wooden trees. This one at 28 is going to be 14. They also have these that are a really super heavy style tree. It comes in the green, it's brushed with gold, comes in the two sizes, and this to go along with any of you who are doing a fruit theme with orange slices. They also have those heavier wooden trees in the white, and I think those are going to be very popular. Now, the larger white trees I showed you guys come in the green collection as well. I love that they have this whole sort of woodsy section over here. And then I noticed on my way out, I had to point this out because I did a Walmart shop with me where I showed you guys all of the Grinch items there. So I had to double check. The Grinch here is $80, so he's going to be $40, and at Walmart, he's $25. Save your money, guys. Now, this is like retirement dreams for me. This is what I want to do with my husband, and I thought it was pretty cute for $15. Now, on the way out, I just want to show you guys they have gnomes, and if you're a gnome lover, you're going to want to check it out because they have some large ones. This guy's going to be $40, but he's beautiful and quite tall. They also have baking gnomes, sitting gnomes, but this reminded me of a doll I had when I was a child. Mrs. Claus is only $10. They also have Santa. I think she is just adorable. And then for all you beach dwellers out there, they have a Santa for you as well. Now, I will say he's a little pricey. He's $21, but I think he's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Hobby Lobby, and I'll see you back very soon.